Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to capture Wuthering Waves on OBS. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Now, here's an important note before we continue. Make sure Wuthering Waves is already open and running on your PC. This is crucial because OBS needs the game to be active in order to detect it properly. Once OBS is open, navigate to the Scenes panel and click the plus icon. Here, you'll want to type a name for your new scene. For example, you can type Wuthering Waves and then click OK. Next, in the bottom left corner, navigate to the Sources panel. Click the plus icon there, and from the list that appears, select Game Capture. A new window will pop up, so go ahead and click OK to proceed. Now you'll see a mode option right beside the capture settings. Click the drop-down menu and select Capture Specific Window. This setting ensures OBS captures only your game window rather than your entire screen, which gives you better performance and more control over what's being recorded. Although I don't have Wuthering Waves installed on my PC, I'll show you exactly what the next step looks like. Below the Mode option, navigate to Window, click the drop-down menu right beside it, and you should see Wuthering Waves listed there. Since I don't have the game installed, I'll use Dota 2 as an example to demonstrate the process, but you'll simply select Wuthering Waves from that same drop-down list when you do this on your own setup. After selecting your game, click OK to confirm your settings. At this point, your game capture should now be properly configured and ready to stream. Once everything is set up and you're ready to go live, navigate to the right panel in OBS. Here, you'll find the Start Streaming button. Click it whenever you're ready to begin streaming Wuthering Waves to your audience. And that's it, you've successfully set up OBS to capture Wuthering Waves. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.